What if I told you that just one spoon of the right food before bed could help you rebuild muscle while you sleep? Sounds simple, maybe even too simple. But for those of us over 60, this small nighttime habit could mean the difference between strength and weakness, between independence and reliance. Because after 60, we start losing muscle fast, and most people don't even realize it's happening until it's already affected their energy, balance, and quality of life. It's called sarcopenia, and it's the natural, age-related loss of muscle mass. By age 60, most adults have already lost about 10% of their muscle. By 70, that number can double. And here's the surprising part. A lot of that muscle loss happens while we're resting, even while we're asleep. Why? Because sleep is when the body shifts into recovery mode, repairing cells, regulating hormones, and ideally, rebuilding muscle. But if your body doesn't have the right fuel before bed, it can't do the job. During deep sleep, your body releases growth hormone, one of the key hormones involved in muscle maintenance and repair. But growth hormone only works well if there are enough amino acids, the building blocks of muscle, available in your system. And if you haven't eaten enough protein during the day, or if you go to bed on an empty stomach, your body might actually break down your own muscle tissue to get what it needs. That means you could be losing muscle every single night, even if you're resting peacefully. Now here's the good news. There's a simple, proven way to fight back. Eat a spoonful of slow-digesting protein before bed, specifically casein protein, which is found in dairy-based foods like cottage cheese, plain Greek yogurt, or even a small glass of warm milk. What makes casein special? Unlike whey or meat protein, which digests quickly, casein breaks down slowly over 6 to 8 hours, releasing amino acids throughout the night. It's like giving your muscles an IV drip of nutrients while you sleep. This isn't just a theory. A 2012 study published in the Journal of Nutrition tested this on adults over 60. Researchers found that those who consumed 30 to 40 grams of casein protein before bed had significantly higher rates of overnight muscle repair and growth. And they weren't lifting weights or doing intense workouts. Just by eating the right protein at the right time, they supported their muscles while sleeping. So how can you do this at home? It's simple. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, have one of the following: half a cup of cottage cheese, a few spoonfuls of plain Greek yogurt, or 1 cup of warm, low-fat milk. That's it. No fancy powders, no expensive supplements, just 1 spoon of the right food. Make sure it's low in added sugar. Avoid flavored yogurts or heavily processed versions. Stick with plain, high-protein options. Now, let's talk about what not to eat. Many people grab crackers, toast, cereal, or sweets before bed, thinking it'll help them sleep. But those high-carb snacks can actually spike your blood sugar, disturb your hormones, and interfere with muscle repair. Avoid sugary snacks, processed foods, alcohol, and spicy or greasy meals late at night. They make your body work harder, instead of resting and rebuilding. Not a fan of dairy? That's okay. There are non-dairy options that can work too. A small protein shake made from soy or pea protein, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter or almond butter, a handful of soaked almonds, or a slice of tofu in warm miso broth. These provide protein and healthy fats, which are also useful for slowing digestion and feeding your muscles gently through the night. Want to take it one step further? Try pairing your bedtime protein with these simple recovery-boosting habits. Drink a small glass of water, just enough to stay hydrated. Stretch gently for 2 to 3 minutes, especially your hips and legs. Turn off bright lights and screens an hour before sleep. Take 5 deep breaths or practice gratitude to relax your nervous system. These calming steps help your body shift into repair mode faster, so your protein works even better while you sleep. It's amazing what one small change can do. A spoonful of the right food at the right time can help you rebuild muscle, feel stronger, and wake up with more energy without ever stepping into a gym. Remember, after 60, your body still wants to heal. You just have to give it the right support. So tonight, instead of skipping your evening snack, make it count. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to Zen60, and share it with a friend who's looking for gentle, natural ways to stay strong after 60. Until next time, sleep well and stay strong.